In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add someone as an admin on your YouTube channel. And the first thing that you need to do is to open YouTube, www.youtube.com, and after that you want to navigate to your YouTube studio. Okay, so your YouTube studio is more like your back end. That is where you do everything that people see on your channel. So how you access your YouTube studio is by moving to the top right, I believe, top right corner of your screen. Click on your picture that you see here. Now, this is the step you follow if you're using a laptop. For the phone version, it might be a little bit different. So what you want to do is click on that profile picture, and from the options, you're going to see YouTube Studio. So you want to click on YouTube Studio, and if you do that, you are going to be at the back end of your YouTube channel. And you should be able to see this if you have created your YouTube Studio account or whatever. It should be a simple process if you already have a Google account. And I'm not going to go through how you're going to do that in this video. So once you're here, the next thing you want to do is to click on settings. You'll find your settings here, and you want to move to permissions. When you move to permissions, first you will see everyone that has access to this channel right here. Okay, so right now I am trying to do this using one of the accounts I'm managing, but I'm not able to do that. So let us move into another account, which is my own YouTube studio. I'm going to switch account to my YouTube account. And okay, so let us try it right here. Again, I come to settings and I come to permissions. Oh yeah, so if you are a manager or an admin on someone else's YouTube account, you might not be able to invite other people to manage that YouTube account. Okay, so you'd have to ask the owner of the channel to do that, or if they give you full access to the YouTube channel, you should be able to do it. But basically, let's assume that the channel that you're trying to give someone access to is your channel. What you do is come to settings, come to permissions, and then this is invite. So you tap on invite, and then you type the person's username. Let's say the person I'm inviting is enterprises@gmail.com, and access. So under this access, you're going to select what level of permission you want them to have. What do you want the people you are adding to your channel to be able to do? Do you want them to be able to view everything, manage permissions, go live, and create, edit, and delete content? If you want them to have this permission, just read through the descriptions that you have under each access, each level. Then whichever one you are okay with, depending on what you want them to do, you are going to select that. If you want them to be able to view everything and manage permissions, like what I'm doing now, if you give them the manager access, they would actually be able to add other people as admin on that channel. If you give them the editor access, they can view everything, go live, and create and edit content, but they cannot manage permissions. Okay, so that's what happened with that channel earlier. I had the editor access but not the manager access. So with the editor access, all I could do was view everything, go live, create and edit content, but I couldn't actually give or remove permissions. So for this person, we're going to give the person the manager permission, and we'll click done. Now once you click done, the next thing you want to do, you can see here it shows pending invitation. So what you want to do next is click on save. And when you do that, it is going to ask you to verify if it is you. Now, this process is actually very simple. All you need to do is click on next, and you just need to verify that you are the owner of the email account that you're using. The way you do that is just enter your password. Okay, so now they would send a verification code to your phone, and that is the number that you have used to open your YouTube Studio account. So what you want to do is to get your phone, and they will tell you that these 2 digits ends your phone number, and you should think of the number that is. If you get your phone with you, click on send, and they would send the verification code to your phone. So you click on next, and yep, that's it. Now the person that you have invited to manage your page will get a mail, and through that mail they can accept the invitation and begin to manage the channel and do whatever you want them to do. So it is as simple as that. Thank you for watching this video. If you got value from this, hit the like button, subscribe, and be ready for more YouTube marketing and YouTube editing content to help you grow your business via YouTube. Have a wonderful day. Bye.